This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, November 24th, 2016. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm Michael Groff. Thank you so much for watching us, as always. And you wonder why 5 million people or so live in the Phoenix metro area. It is because of days like this in late November. Looking at an absolutely ideal day out there. A few high clouds around. There may be some breezes later today, but overall, perfect conditions for Thanksgiving. Right now at 8:35 a.m., we are at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 41, relative humidity 58%. There's no wind right now, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures across the area this morning, mainly in the mid-40s to mid-50s. Satellite shows, yes, a few high clouds around in association with a shortwave trough that passed by to the north earlier, and we'll see those linger through the rest of the morning hours, but becoming sunny by this afternoon. Watch warning map features some wind advisories out here in the southwest and Southern California and along the Colorado River Valley. Some winter weather advisories in the Pacific Northwest as well as upstate New York from around Binghamton toward Utica. Some dense fog advisories in sections of the country, Mississippi, Louisiana, as well as around Kearney and Hastings, Nebraska. And as far as the convective outlook goes, no organized areas of severe weather. There might be a rumble of thunder along the Pacific Northwest coast, but otherwise nothing to talk about there. And as far as our weather goes, our perfect weather for today, let's talk about it as we get into the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. There's that short wave. It's already heading off into the middle of the country by late this afternoon, and we are looking perfect, just dry, quasi-zonal flow, sunny skies by late this afternoon. And again, there could be some breezes, especially to our west over the lower Colorado River Valley and southeast California. Winds around 15 to 25 miles per hour out there. And I would imagine that some spots may see a brief bit of blowing dust, but it's not going to be anything that's going to hamper any travel or any outdoor activities, really. Those high temperatures this afternoon getting into the upper 70s. Latest GFS showing 78 here in the valley this afternoon. And that is a bit above normal. The normal high for today is 72. Tonight, clear skies. Tomorrow, Black Friday. You're heading out to do some midnight shopping tonight or 5 or 6 a.m. shopping tomorrow morning. We start the day out in the 40s and low 50s. We climb to the upper 70s to near 80 degrees by the afternoon. On Saturday, the weather pattern across western North America starts to change pretty drastically. Strong high pressure over the northeast Pacific causes downstream amplification of two very prominent short waves. The first one starts to head our way by Saturday night and early Sunday. And this is actually starting to show some signs of making some precipitation in northern and eastern Arizona. The latest European shows that, with some rain and snow north and east of Phoenix. It even tries to maybe develop an isolated shower around here. I don't think so. I think we stay dry on Saturday. High temps in the low 70s. Sunday, the first short wave is out of here. The second one, a much more vigorous system, will start to head down the central and southern California coast and move our way. So by Sunday afternoon, this system is knocking on the door. A cold front starts to intrude into the region, and moisture will increase. Now, there's not a lot of moisture with this, but the dynamics with this system, very strong. We'll have incredibly strong winds aloft, and we'll have some good forced ascent with this, some upslope southwesterly flow. So that'll help to wring out the atmosphere of any moisture that is around. So precipitation will start here in the valley late Sunday evening, say between 5 and 11 p.m., and then by 5 a.m. Monday morning, the GFS still showing some precipitation around here. Then by 11 a.m., most of it is east of us, but it's still showing some lingering showers. This is slowing down the system just a little bit compared to previous runs, but you still get the idea. Sunday, increasing clouds, showers by late in the evening. High temps on Sunday, much colder, will be in the low to middle 60s. Monday, the European now shows a different scenario than this. We're still showing rain off the European, but it's much faster, a little bit less rain with this. This is 5 p.m. Sunday night. This is 11 p.m. Sunday. This is 5 a.m. Monday. Again, off the European, much faster. The window of time for precipitation here in the valley looks to be Sunday evening through about Monday morning at, say, 5 to 11 a.m. So about a 12-hour window at most for rain here in the valley. But we are pretty confident in this. About a 60% chance of rain Sunday night, Monday morning. Rest of the day, Monday, mostly sunny skies will settle in. It'll be breezy. High temps only in the upper 50s. Tuesday morning is chilly. We'll have low temperatures mainly in the 30s and low 40s. There could be some frost in some of the outlying Phoenix areas, and certainly the mountains east of Phoenix, plenty of frost and even some freezing. Tuesday, still chilly. High temps only in the mid to upper 50s, breezy at times. Wednesday, again, we start the day in the mid 30s to mid 40s. We warm it up a little bit, low 60s for the highs. This is a week from today, Thursday, December 1st, the start of meteorological winter. Another trough digging into the Intermountain West, so cold temperatures will continue to dive on in here. We'll have highs upper 50s and low 60s, well below normal. The normal high on December 1st, 69, will probably be about 10 degrees below normal. This is Friday, December the 2nd. Another strong low pressure diving south here into the southwest states. And this looks like a pretty dry system for us. The European tries to generate a little bit of precipitation with this. Maybe something in northern Arizona. I think we're dry from this, but we'll keep an eye on it. It's continental dry air, so I don't think we'll see anything, but we'll let you know. And high temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s if this were to verify. This is Saturday, the end of the forecast period, Saturday, December the 3rd. And again, we are dry, but very chilly. High temps only in the upper 50s to low 60s. Lows during this time, mid 30s to lower 40s. Winter apparently has arrived here in the southwest. All right, rainfall from this upcoming event and over the next 10 days. All of this basically falls in that window of Sunday night to Monday morning. And we're pretty confident in this. The European and the GFS, the Canadian, all the major models are showing very similar precipitation fields. Latest GFS a little bit wetter with this, showing around 3/10 of an inch, a third of an inch, maybe a half inch in the favored upslope areas of the Phoenix metro area. That seems about right. I would probably err on a little bit of the drier side, so I'll say a quarter to a half inch of rain here for the Phoenix area. Obviously, lesser amounts to the west, greater amounts to the north and east of Phoenix, and some snow, with the snow level actually dropping down to about 4,000 feet on Monday morning. So places like Globe, Payson, Prescott going to see some pretty decent snow, a couple inches, maybe up to 4 or 5 inches in a few spots. Temperatures through the forecast period look pretty much like this. Warm today, tomorrow, even on Saturday, but then we're going to cool it off really substantially by next week and keep it cool all the way through December the 8th and 9th. High temps, upper 50s, lower 60s, maybe a couple of days we peak into the middle 60s, but obviously well below normal. And that's an interesting change. That's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video by tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very safe and happy Thanksgiving. If we don't talk to you again by through the holiday, we'll have a safe weekend as well. And we'll see you again tomorrow.